Introduction. Welcome to our video on pre-training on unlabeled data, a cornerstone of GPT's development. Pre-training leverages large amounts of text to create models capable of generating human-like language. In this video, we will explore evaluation methods, decoding strategies, and how pre-trained weights optimize performance. Evaluating generative text models. Evaluation is key to understanding a GPT model's performance. The process begins with text generation, where prompts are fed into the model to produce coherent outputs. For example, given the prompt "the future of AI," the model might generate is bright with possibilities in healthcare and education. Next, we calculate the text generation loss to measure how accurately the model predicts tokens. Lower loss values indicate better predictions. Additionally, training and validation set losses are monitored. If training loss is low but validation loss is high, the model might be overfitting. Training an LLM. The pre-training phase involves feeding vast amounts of unlabeled text data into the model. During training, the model learns to predict the next token in a sequence. Techniques like gradient clipping help avoid exploding gradients, while learning rate scheduling ensures steady optimization. Decoding strategies to control randomness. Decoding strategies guide the model's text generation process, balancing creativity and coherence. Temperature scaling. By adjusting the temperature parameter, we control randomness in predictions. Higher temperatures lead to diverse outputs, while lower values produce more predictable results. Top K sampling. This strategy limits token selection to the top K most probable candidates, ensuring logical outputs while maintaining diversity. Customizing the text generation function. Fine-tuning the function's parameters allows greater control, enabling the model to adapt to specific tasks or styles. For loading and saving model weights in PyTorch, managing models efficiently involves saving and loading weights. In PyTorch, functions like torch.save store the trained model, while torch.load retrieves it for future use. This practice ensures that training efforts are preserved and models can be fine-tuned or reused. 5. Loading pre-trained weights from OpenAI. Using pre-trained weights from OpenAI is a game-changer. Instead of training a model from scratch, we can leverage OpenAI's pre-trained GPT models and fine-tune them for specific tasks like summarization or chatbot development. This approach saves time, reduces costs, and improves results. Conclusion: pre-training on unlabeled data is the foundation of GPT's capabilities. By evaluating models, implementing decoding strategies, and leveraging pre-trained weights, we unlock the full potential of language models. These principles empower us to build and optimize applications ranging from creative writing to question answering.